Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. It's January 24th, 2022. It is Monday. The crypto markets are continuing where they were as of Friday. Everything is still down pretty exceptionally, and today I'm going to go over the market update with you along with a little bit of news, and I'm going to discuss a project with you. The project I'll be discussing today is Alliance Block, which I'll go into a little bit later. Alliance Block is a project that a lot of you might have heard of before. It's not necessarily a new pick, but it is something that I like a lot, and I think it will have a lot of great long-term potential. So, getting started in the market update, we do here have the daily market update. We've got Bitcoin sitting at $36,000. Still a great time to buy Bitcoin if you ask me personally. Ethereum is sitting at a great price at $2,379. Cardano is sitting at $1.06, XRP at about 60 cents, Solana at $90, Terra Luna at $65. Polkadot is under $20. I would absolutely recommend picking up some Polkadot, and Avalanche is a very good buy right now as well. That's going to be it for what I'm going over here on CoinMarketCap with the top 10 to 20 coins. Going over here into crypto bubbles, as you can see for the day, we've got Atom that's pumping a little bit. Atom is currently sitting at $35.47. OKB is doing a little bit. We've got a little bit of a mixed bag again today, everybody. There's a little bit of stuff recovering. As a matter of fact, what is? I keep seeing this coin pop up. Either it's dumping super hard or it's always going up super hard. So let's take a look at it real quick. What is this coin? It's called Alt. It's Elitas. Alitas. What is this coin? I have never heard of it before. Wow, look at that. I don't know what this is. I've really never heard of this before. It is glitching hard on crypto bubbles, and I do not know why. I'll have to look at this later. We won't focus on that right now. That's the biggest bubble that's on the screen. It says it's at 100% breakout, but it doesn't reflect that on the chart, so I don't know why it says that. In my opinion, there's a lot of great things that are currently available to be bought, and I would take the opportunity to start picking quite a few things up. The next buys I'm going to be putting in are going to be for Ethereum. It's at a price that I believe is a steal right now, and it's currently sitting below my average buy-in price, so I will absolutely be accumulating Ethereum. For right now, I have less than one Ethereum, and my goal is to get at least one entire Ethereum, and then I'm going to move on to other parts of my portfolio. My portfolio is not that big. I'm actually going to go ahead and go over something real quick with you guys on my Twitter. Hold on, this is my personal Twitter. Let me get it pulled up off screen real quick. A little bit of technical difficulties here. Sorry about that. I came a little bit unprepared. This right here is my crypto Twitter that I have. By the way, if you'd like to, I would greatly appreciate it if you went ahead and gave me a follow as well. Give it a little zoom in here so you can see it a little bit better. And this is my goal for what I'm doing with this market currently. I see this state of the market as a grand opportunity to acquire wealth. And it's true. I do. I'm committing myself to doubling down on my side gig, which is DoorDash. I do DoorDash on the side, and I do it as much as I possibly can to get every extra bit of money I can every week to buy some crypto. And setting a food budget that is very smaller than what I was spending before, minimalizing spending to optimize investing. So, I do this because I believe in crypto and I want to be able to make a lot of plays, especially when the market is the way that it's in. We don't know if or when it's going to go back up. So I want to take advantage of these opportunities while I still have them. And I would recommend that some of you do the same as well. Do some research on some projects, maybe look at a coin that you've seen before but you don't know anything about. Do your own research on it, learn how to do it, and I can tell you that it will reward you in the long term. Don't coin hop. So that's that. I just wanted to share that information with you. My weekly food budget is I'm going to try to push out to be about $20 a week. I believe I should be able to accomplish that fairly easily. Moving along to the news. Here we are on Crypto Panic. Let's move to the top. I have it set to bullish right now. We're going to switch to bearish. Hackers exploited an OpenSea bug. Bitcoin open interest declines to September 2021 levels. Ripple keeps demanding Ethereum documents from the SEC. I'm personally not invested in XRP, but I believe this lawsuit will play a huge role into what we can expect from this crypto space. Solana says that its user experience is not what it should be. Says the co-founder as the network struggles. Guys, Solana is not doing good. Its network and its price action both are not doing all that great right now. So I do want you to keep that in mind. If you're not in Solana and you're thinking about getting in, they don't have great centralization, or I'm sorry, they don't have great decentralization, and they've been subjected to DDoS attacks multiple times in the past months. So take that as you will. Do your own research on Solana so that way you know what to expect from it. Switch back over to bullish. Okay, and with the bullish sentiment here is the bottom end. This is the #1 indicator to confirm the worst is over. That's a video. We're not going to watch that right now because I have no interest in doing that. It's saying that Bitcoin and Ethereum are supposed to aim to rebound from this brutal downturn. CryptoBriefing.com. The Biden administration is planning an executive order on crypto. Biden administration plans to release a comprehensive strategy on cryptocurrencies, consolidating the approach of several government agencies. I don't know what in the world this is going to come out as, but this news is very interesting, and I hope it does not FUD the market even more. The Chamber of Digital Commerce CEO states that Bitcoin is currently undervalued. I agree. As its current price action, it is absolutely undervalued. I'm actually thinking about buying some myself. I don't hold any right now, and I'm still thinking about buying some Bitcoin. That's true. Fearing revolution, Myanmar's military government wants to ban crypto and VPNs. The council is pushing to ban crypto 1 month after the country's exiled government floated Tether as official tender. This is interesting news. If we keep getting these bans on crypto from other nations, I'm not sure where this is going to take us in the long term, but it is a little scary to think about. Everything out here is just talking about the price action on Bitcoin, that it's undervalued. Ethereum whale bought 500 billion Shiba. That's interesting. People are still buying Shiba Inu. I personally do not have any Shiba Inu, nor do I care to look into it. No hate to any Shiba holders, it's just not for me. And that's pretty much it for the news. There's not a whole lot going on news today. Moving along to our featured crypto of the day, we have Alliance Block, currently trading at 34 cents. If you've been following the price of Alliance Block for a while, you do know that this is a steal of a price right now. This price right here is an absolute steal. Okay, so here's what I want you to look at real quick. The all-time high of Alliance Block is $1.35. It is $1 down from its all-time high right now. A whole dollar. A whole dollar. It is much more than 50% down from its all-time high. This project aims to bridge the traditional finance world, into the digital finance world. It is widely revered by many institutions. Its ecosystem can streamline issuance, validation, and clearance while integrating progressive regulatory and compliance framework in order to reduce costs and increase efficiency. That's in the process of bridging traditional finance with digital finance. I think I am very, very bullish overall on Alliance Block. I do have some Alliance Block. It is in my portfolio, and I am looking to get more, especially at these prices. When I bought into Alliance Block, it was around exactly 50% of its all-time high. This is much less than that, okay? So, if you look at the chart for Alliance Block as well, you can see that its bottom is 19 cents. Its all-time bottom is 19 cents. It's currently at 34 cents. So, do with this information what you will. As always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. We're going to discuss a little bit more. I'm going to bring up the Alliance Block website so that you can look at it. Alliance Block seamlessly brings DeFi and traditional finance together. Okay? Look at these partnerships. These partnerships are out of this world. They're partnered with Hedera Hashgraph, Polygon, Elrond, EnergyWeb, Binance Smart Chain, Unido, DAOmaker, ParseIQ, Paid, Frontier, Covalent, Quant, Holo, Chainlink, London Stock Exchange. These are insane, absolutely insane partners. They've been covered very heavily in the media as well. Their current market cap, by the way, I did not cover what their present market cap is. I believe it's under $1 billion. Their total supply is 1 billion, by the way. Their market cap is only 82 million. Fully diluted, that's 356 million. I need to take a look at their tokenomics. This is obviously their white paper. And I do not have any information available at this time for their tokenomics that breaks down like how many tokens are vested where, who they're vested to, and everything of that nature. I'm going to have to read over this information a little bit more because that circulating supply is a little bit less than the total supply available, which I don't like particularly, but I feel like this project is very early. Again, I'm going to reference you to do your own research on this. And what I'm focusing right now in this market is getting as much fiat as I possibly can in order to buy as much crypto as I possibly can. Because the prices that we're seeing right now are just too good to pass up. I would highly recommend all of you to start doing some dollar cost averaging going into these positions, because you have a lot of potential 2x gains in front of you. You have a lot of potential to get some very good gains in front of you, and I would absolutely be taking advantage of them. Also, I'll close with this. Do I think we are in a bear market? I don't know what that means anymore. A bear market versus a bull market? Don't know. There are bearish sentiments. There are bullish sentiments. but I don't want to call it a market because I am forever bullish on crypto. So I can never say with honesty what is a bull market and what is a bear market. What would define a bear market is things dropping off much, much more. We would probably see Bitcoin under $30,000 if this isn't a super cycle. What's happening right now looks very similar to what happened back in the summer of 2021. Things went bottomed out, and then we went back up to new all-time highs. So there's really no telling what is really going to happen in this market. This could be an extended super cycle to where what happened in the summer is going to repeat itself into the fall, and then we have another run up before the next drop off, like the big drop off that everyone's talking about. Or this is just the big drop off as it is. It's very possible we could be entering, that 90% drop area right now, but there's no way of knowing for certain. And in closing, I'll leave you guys with that. It's a new start to the week. Make sure you're treating yourself very kindly. Do good things for yourself. Make sure you're stretching, meditate, and have yourself a wonderful rest of your week. I'll be making a couple more videos moving forward this week, and I wish everyone the best. Goodbye.